Hi everyone, welcome to another cleaning video. It's on a Monday morning, and usually Mondays my house in general is extremely messy because over the weekend I'm very busy, so I don't have time to do the cleaning. So come with me as we clean this kitchen and make it look nice and smell nice. So to start the cleaning, I will be emptying all the dirty water in a basin that I've placed behind me. Then I'll go ahead and separate all the cups and the plates so that I can now start washing all the utensils. Just to mention, if you had previously watched my video, you realize that even that day I did not have running water. So in this house that we live in, there is water problem. We usually don't have running water every day. We have like 3 days per week, so most of the time we usually use water that we've already stored. After separating all the utensils, I'll start by cleaning the sink because I'll be using it when I'm washing the utensils. And to mention, I'm using Nuru dishwash and a scrubber to do the cleaning. Since today I'm deep cleaning my kitchen, I'll also clean my dish rack, and you will realize that the dish rack had some clean utensils, so I will clean all the utensils. So first, when I removed my dish rack, I realized that place where it is usually at, there was some dirt, so I cleaned the place, and then now I started cleaning the dish. After washing the dish rack, I'll place it back, and then now I'll start washing all the utensils. basic dishes that I have. Then finally I wash the cooking. So I went ahead and rinsed off my final bunch of utensils, which was some plates, some plastics, and my cooking pots or sufurias. After all the dishes are done, clean and smelling nice, the last thing is to clean the kitchen surfaces. That includes the window and my cocoa cooker. To do that, I'll be cleaning with a small towel that I usually use, a kitchen towel to be specific. Then after everything is clean, finally I usually use bleach. In this case I'm using Msafi bleach to disinfect all the kitchen surfaces and to drain the final water in the sink. I'll be ending this video here, and I want to appreciate each and every one of you who has clicked this video. May you be blessed abundantly, and kindly consider subscribing to this channel for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.